Hello and welcome. Today we are going to see how to find intersection of sets in Python. Intersection gives common elements from all the sets. Here I have taken three sets S1, S2, S3. Here 4 and 5, these two elements are common in these three sets. So when we will find intersection, we will get new set which contains these 4 and 5. In Python, you can find intersection of sets in two ways. First one is Python has provided intersection method. Using that, also it has given ampersand operator. Using that also you can find intersection of set. So first I am using intersection method. To this intersection method you have to pass this S2, S3. So I have called this intersection method on S1 and we will print final result S. And if I run this program, so I got here this new set. It contains 4 and 5. 4 and 5 is common. Next one is you can find using ampersand operator. S1, I want to find intersection of this S1, S2, S3. So I am taking these three sets here. S3, and I will print here final result. And if I run this, I got here again 4 and 5. So these are the two ways to find intersection of sets in Python. If you like the content of my channel, please subscribe and press bell icon to get notification. Thanks for watching the video.